HaitiXchange. Hey everybody, this is Cool P, Pascal Antoine Cool P, webmaster of HaitiXchange. I just got a call from HaitianCreation, who's here on the phone with me live from Haiti. HaitianCreation, are you there?
Yeah.
What's going on? First of all, thank you for calling, and what's happening, man?
Now Haiti's a madhouse, man.
What's going on?
Chaotic. There's a lot of dead bodies on the street. There's a lot of people with lost body parts. Get some help. It's very, very, very critical over here. Very critical. People lost their lives.
Where were you when the earthquake started? Where were you?
Well, I was in Latigone, and I was taking care of my farming business. And then I found out immediately all communication dropped. And then I went to the nearest town, and they told me that Port-au-Prince, there is no Port-au-Prince anymore. Then I took the radio and started to find out that the Palace is down, DJE is down, all these places went down. And then I said, let me make it to my way to Port-au-Prince. But they blocked the road, and they didn't allow no one to go back into the capital. So I stayed put until the morning.
So you were actually, so that's, okay, so you didn't actually go home that same night?
No, I couldn't get into Port-au-Prince at all.
Okay.
We stayed.
Okay.
And then when we started coming, we seen a lot of people, like the half of Port-au-Prince was like leaving Port-au-Prince, going back to the countryside where they came from, you know. And
so people were just leaving the city in droves. They were just leaving.
Yeah, on bicycles, on the best way they knew how, leaving Port-au-Prince altogether.
So what's going on right now? What's it like in the street, and bodies on the street and stuff? What's going on?
Well, right now there's trucks going around picking up bodies, ditching bodies, bringing bodies wherever they can to put them and burn them. Everything is happening very fast. They're doing operations in the street. People are getting operated on in the street, amputations done in the street. People are getting first aid in the street. Then you have the bandits. There's people that's profiting from the situation, breaking into stores and stuff.
Wow. Okay.
There's people trying to still dig out their family members from the rubble.
Right.
And, a lot of heavy equipment is missing. There's no heavy equipment whatsoever. So people are using the little that they know they have to try to dig out their family members.
Right. Now, you called me yesterday for... I'm sorry, go ahead.
Everyone is trying to take care of their immediate surroundings. You can't really help other people. You're trying to help yourself.
What's that lady's name?
It's very chaotic.
Right.
Gas is very expensive, $150 a gallon, if you could find it.
Right.
Everyone is walking. There's a lot of traffic.
Now,
there's no information going around, like what to do next or where to go for help.
Now, what you told me basically was that Haiti right now is like a zoo. It's like a zoo.
It's like a zoo. What stands out is the smell of dead bodies all over. And it's a very, very particular smell. And when you go by a collapsed building, you smell that same smell.
Wow. Now, from where you are now, you can actually smell that.
Yeah, you have the smell that all last night. You have the smell that's in the air, and it's strong.
Let me ask you something. I know that your house is fine, even though you're camped out outside. How about the house that you lived in where I used to stay with you? How is that?
Okay, if we actually stayed in that house, we wouldn't be here today.
Wow.
That house is to the third floor is the first floor. All you see is the skeleton on top.
Oh my
and
gosh.
I'm sure there's a lot of dead bodies. There was church downstairs.
So church was actually in session downstairs, you think?
Yeah, there was people actually in the church when it took place.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
My son's school is down.
Now, how is Junior? How is Junior keeping up with this? And for those of you who don't know who I'm talking to, this is HaitianCreation, and you can go see the video Greetings from Haiti Part 1, where he and his son are, Part 2 actually, well, Part 1 and Part 2, where he and his son are in there. How is Junior?
He's all right. He doesn't really understand what's going on. He thinks, he's trying to think that it's God that's doing it. He did something wrong that they're punishing, people getting punished for. That's how he's taking it.
That's how he sees it. Where was he when this happened? Where was he?
Him and his mother was in the house, and the house started rumbling, and everybody ran out. And the two houses next door went down.
Okay.
The house they were in would go down too, and it stood up.
But even though your house is still up, you guys are still camping outside because of the aftershocks.
Right. I think maybe 30 trembles since then.
Okay.
About 30 that I've counted.
Okay.
And the trembles, whenever there's a tremble, everybody runs.
Right.
It's
because they think it's going to be another big one coming, or
you don't know. What I hear is it was a small tremble first, and then a big tremble came right after it.
Right. Okay.
Wow. And you don't know what magnitude the tremble will be.
Right. Now, you mentioned to me
to a bigger tremble.
Right. Okay. You don't know if it's going to pick up and get stronger. Did you actually see the National Palace? Were you actually to go to La Ville, downtown Champ de Mars area?
What you said?
Did you actually see the National Palace? Were you able to go down to the Champ de Mars area?
Yeah, I have a picture of it, but it's getting it to you that's difficult. I have a picture of it.
Okay. Wow.
That I've taken.
How did you feel when you saw that? How did you feel when you saw that?
I said the country is finished. The country, the actual, and it's like, to me, I'm like, this is a reflection of the way the country is being ran. Nothing is being done anyway. The palace it didn't really seem like the palace was used for anything.
Right.
And it just came down.
Well, let me ask you this. A lot of people are saying that, that Préval isn't doing anything. We just see him on the news every once in a while, but there's no real leadership anywhere. What do Haitians in Haiti feel right now about Préval and the government in general?
No, they're saying that it's time for him to step down and let somebody else lead the way, because the way he's responding to this incident is not professional whatsoever.
Are people thinking that maybe the United States is trying to take over and stuff like that? What do you hear about that?
Okay, I have Josephar here, and she has her take on that one.
Okay.
You want to hear from her?
Yes, let me speak to Josephar.
Hello?
Hi, Josephar. How are you?
I'm fine.
Everybody who's listening, Josephar in the video, in the Greetings from Haiti video, she was the woman in the car. Actually, part 2. She was the woman in the car when we went to Sodo. Hi, Josephar. Nice to hear your voice.
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm good. Let me ask you, Josephar. Everything is fine. I should be asking you that. How is everything? Vous en santé? Vous en forme? How is your house? How are your friends? Your family? What's going on?
My house is okay. I got I could say it's a friend, because we was close. We used to work together, and she died.
Who is she?
I found out today that she died.
Who died?
Naika. I think you know her too.
I know Naika. For everyone, Naika in that same video.
Naika in black. You remember the video?
Yes. In the video, she's one of the women in the car when I'm buying the fresco. She passed away. Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So, oh boy.
She died.
Wow. So I was asking,
she's gone.
I was asking Neil, HaitianCreation, I was asking him what he thought about the current government and what's going to happen afterwards. What do you think?
I think that Haiti right now really needs not the like I heard Obama saying Haiti need a preoccupied. No, Haiti don't need preoccupy right now. We need a complete occupy. That's what we need.
You need complete occupation.
We don't have a government, so we might as well occupy us.
Let me ask you something. Do you think that a lot of Haitians will go for that now, or?
You'll be right. That's my opinion. I don't know about other people.
Okay. Wow. Ebe, you know what? I'm going to be.
We have a right government. Look at what happened. All those things is going on. And you remember, I don't know if you remember when you was young, something happened. You have a president stand up and talk to the public, telling people what's going on. We have people who are still talking under the ground, and nobody coming to help.
Right.
Still a life under the ground.
So no direction.
We don't hear them voice no more.
Right.
That's mean now they gone.
Right. Wow.
Because let me see, today is Saturday, like Thursday night, there was still people in Woodford under that market was still talking.
Right.
But
And
they say they don't hear them voice no more talking down there.
Now you don't hear them anymore. Wow.
No, that's
Oh my God. Anyway, Josefar, I want to tell you that here in the United States and really all over the world, I know you guys don't have a lot of information coming in. Everybody is talking about this. There are fundraisers every day, 10, 12 fundraisers, and that's only in New York. People are sending in money from all over the world. Haiti is on the news 24 hours a day. I just want you guys to know and let everyone know that everybody is fighting to help Haiti right now. Okay, any last words?
No, we're just seeing what we could do, you know.
Okay.
Because you can have money and you can't use it because there's nothing to buy.
Right. Right.
We're just using creative ways to keep
afloat. Yeah. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna be there soon. Anything I know it's gonna be it's a completely different Haiti. Anything you want to tell me to prepare myself?
Yeah, just come and you'll see for yourself. It's like a movie, man. It's the stuff you see only in the movie.
Right.
That's all I could tell you.
All right, man. Well,
if they had a movie on the earthquake, and how they show it, the only thing is they can't give you the smell. But
right.
The smell, Pascal, here is something else.
Right.
That's what stands out, the smell and the dead bodies all over the place.
Wow. Anyway, so hopefully things will get more and more stable, and I'll be able to hear from you a lot more, and I'll be able to eventually call you also a lot more in the future. Thank you so much for calling, Neil. Thank you so much. Okay? All right.
No problem.
Everybody, that was HaitianCreation calling us live from Haiti. He's well, his family is well, and stay posted to HaitiXchange for the latest information on this tragic event in Haiti. Thank you.
HaitiXchange.